I'm Steph. We're back on page EX98, Excel Tutorial 2, IT 111. We're looking at step 1. It says if we took a break, and we did, after the previous session, make sure the sales report workbook is open and the sales report worksheet is active. And you can see over here in mine that it is. And in cell P26, so let's navigate to cell P26. There you go. We're going to enter the text average as the label. So let's type in average. Now it looks like they've got average all capitalized. So let's type in average as the label and select cell P27. So P27. And we're going to enter the average function in the cell to calculate the average monthly sales for the store on 411 Elm Drive in Madison, Wisconsin. So let's put the average function in there. So I'm going to do that there. So on the Home tab in the Editing group, so up here in the Editing group, we're going to click the Auto Sum button arrow, and as you can see that arrow pull down, there's going to be more choices there, and one of the choices you have is Average. So click Average, and as you can see the formula auto completes and it says equals average C27 to O27, and if that's the range that you want, it's correct. You can hit the enter key, but the range reference that was included in this function is incorrect. It includes O27, which contains the total gross sales for all months, so we need to correct the range reference. Let's select O27 in the argument and then click cell N27. So select O27 in the argument and click on N27. You notice how that changed. So that replaced the cell reference. The range reference now correctly includes only the gross sales for each month, and we can press the enter key to complete the formula. Formula results show 29,583, which is the monthly gross sales from the store on 411 Elm Drive in Madison, Wisconsin. Let's select cell P27. So select cell P27. And then change the alignment to top align so the calculated value is aligned with the top of the cell. So top align, up here if we go to the top in the alignment, now it's aligned with everything else. So copy the formula in cell P27 and paste the copied formula into the range P28 to P47. So copy that. And then you can paste it. So I did Control C into P28 through P47. So select block highlight P28 to P47. Control V as in Victor, and you can see the dollar values immediately visible. And then select P48 to deselect the range. And also, if you hit the escape key, you can get rid of the dancing ants or the scrolling selection up there in the original cell that we copied. Okay, take a look at figure 223 on page 99, EX99, and make sure that yours matches up. As you can see, I've got all those values all the way down, and at the bottom 792,833. That's the average gross sales for all stores per month. So make sure that all the numbers match up. If they don't, again, go back over, figure out exactly what happened. On page EX100, I'm going to apply cell styles to the sales report worksheet. Select cell B4. So let's go to B4. Select cell B4. There it is, sales statistics. And on the Home tab in the Styles Gallery, let's click the Cell Style button. So Cell Styles over here. On the Cell Styles button, the Cell Styles Gallery opens. We want to point to Heading 1 style up here. There you go. That's in the Titles and Headings section. A live preview shows us what that's going to look like. So you can see Sales Statistics looks pretty attractive now. Much more flashy than it was before. And then you can move the pointer over the different cell styles if you want to see, what that might look like. Just kind of look over there and you can see the live. Whoa, you can see everything kind of changing. And I'm going to go back to heading 1 there and then click the title style. Let's see here, title style. There's title style right there. Okay, title style is the one. Let's click title style, and that's applied to B4. And then select the range B5 to F5. B5 to F5. Okay, we got them. And in the cell style group, click the cell styles button and click accent 3. So again, pull that down, cell styles. We want accent 3 this time. And as far as accent 3, there, it's at the bottom. Doesn't that look a lot different? I think it looks kind of nice. So we're going to go ahead and choose that. And then cell A25 containing the text 2015 monthly gross right there, A25. And let's take the title cell style and apply it to that one as well. So again, go to cell styles and title. So again, look for title there. There it is, title. And select cell A3. And look at figure 225. So we've got the accent style applied there to the range B5 to F5. We have the title style applied to cell B4. Things are looking good. So all the cell styles applied to our worksheet. Let's go on down to the bottom of page EX101. We want to use the format painter to copy and paste a format. So let's go to the documentation worksheet. Documentation right there. And we want to select the range A1 to A2. So A1 to A2. On the Home tab in the Clipboard group, let's click the Format Painter. It's this little paintbrush up there. You can see I selected it. And now the pointer changes to a little paintbrush and a plus symbol. Let's return to the Sales worksheet and click cell A1. Click on cell A1. And look at that. Big change, big flavor. And then let's go into the mode here, the big flavor. Let's double click cell A2. And if you double click it, it goes into kind of an editing mode there. And we want to increase the font size to 14 points. Looks a little bit better. Remember, this is how it looked before. You go to edit, undo, whatever there, and yeah. Whoops, we didn't select the whole thing here. So you're going to hit the escape key there if you need to. Select big flavor, not just big, but big flavor. And then increase the font size to 14 points. So big flavor, small price, increase the font size to 14 points. There you go. That looks much better. So let's see if it now matches the, oh no. I muffed it up there. Let's get back and put the small price back in there. So if you didn't do it right, like I just did, remember I'm human and I like to show you that from time to time. The only thing we needed to select really was big flavor. So let's select big flavor, make it 14 points, and the other one stays the smaller. So there you go, big flavor, small price. They're trying to make a statement there. Okay. We've done it now. That looks good. So I want to paste multiple formats there. Let's see, we've got everything done there. So we select A3 there. We out of the edit mode there. Again, take a look at figure 226. Make sure yours looks like mine does. And I'm real pleased with what we got going on. I'm going to copy and paste multiple formats next. I'm on the bottom of EX102. Select the range B4 to F12. B4 to F12. B4 to F12. Got it. And on the Home tab in the Clipboard group, click the Format Painter button. And click on cell B14. All the number formats, cell borders, fonts, and fill colors are pasted into that range B14 to F22. Select this range C22 to E23, C22 to E23. So C22 to E23. C22 to E23, and on the Home tab in the number group, let's click the comma style button up here, comma style, and then let's click the decrease decimal button twice. Remember, this is the decrease decimal button. Click it twice, and remove the decimal places right to the decimal, and the numbers are vertically aligned in their columns. Let's select cell F23. Select cell F23. Oops, F23. And in the number group, click the percent style button to change that. So let's click on the percent style button. And then click the increase decimal button. It's the one with the leftwards arrow. And do that twice to display decimal percentages, and then click on cell B24. Okay, let's save that work and take a look at what we've got over here on figure 227. Make sure yours matches like mine. This is a good spot to stop. I think I will.